everybody, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and tonight I'm going to show you a fabulous recipe for a chocolate lover's bubbly cocktail. Now this cocktail would be perfect for any kind of special occasion like Valentine's or a date night or anniversary, a birthday. Even if you want to do it at Christmas or Easter, chocolate is very much a theme, right? So let's get started by rimming our champagne glass. Now you can use a flute glass or you can use whatever kind of champagne glass you have. That's what I'm using today. It's going to be really fancy and it's going to look beautiful because we're going to add some Kahlúa, a mocha chocolate kind of flavored liqueur, and it's going to have a nice gradient. So it's going to be really beautiful in the glass. So let's rim this up. We're rimming this with just dipping it in water. And then I have a mixture of sugar and cocoa powder, so that's extra chocolate. Rim that up. Make sure you get a really nice coating here on the edges. And we're gonna put that off to the side just to let that set while we're getting ready. So I'm gonna start with a maraschino cherry in the very bottom. And I'm going to add about a ½ ounce of Kahlúa. Now you could use creme de cacao if you wanted, or any other kind of chocolate liqueur, whether it's a dark chocolate or a lighter chocolate liqueur. In that goes. It's going to be a nice little kind of half shot at the end of the bubbly. Tonight I'm using Bodacious Bubbles, and this is a sparkling wine. Now, not all champagnes are actually champagnes. They're sparkling wine unless they're made in Champagne, France. So the rest is just sparkling wine. That's why we're calling it bubbly tonight. So you can use whatever kind of bubbles you like. Top that up with your champagne. Some of it's going to bubble through that Kahlúa, but a lot of that Kahlúa is going to stay at the bottom in a beautiful gradient. And I'm going to add 1 square of a dark chocolate. Chocolate lovers. So you're going to have a little bit of a snack at the end as well. And you have one really beautiful cocktail that's not only beautiful, it's delicious. So there you go. I'd be really happy someone made me that for Valentine's. Let's taste it. You can't go wrong with chocolate and champagne. Seriously? Classic combination. This would even be beautiful with a strawberry in it, like a whole chocolate dipped strawberry would be beautiful. And it would be a really great garnish on the edge of the glass. And I just love this rim. The chocolate and the sweetness of the sugar, it's divine. It's a winning combination. That's divine. And then you have a snack at the end, a piece of dark chocolate, which is also an aphrodisiac, so is champagne, and your little maraschino cherry. And look at how that maraschino is kind of holding all that nice little shot of Kahlúa at the bottom. Very cool. There you go. So this has been a beautiful champagne cocktail, and I'm approaching the end. All my rim's gone. You get that gorgeous half a shot of nice sweet chocolate mocha Kahlúa liqueur. It's amazing. And don't forget about your square of chocolate. Soaked in your champagne and Kahlúa. There's nothing wrong with this cocktail. It's just right. And the maraschino is just the right ending. It tastes like one of those little chocolates with the maraschino inside. Oh, delightful. Well, I hope you enjoy this chocolate lover's bubbly cocktail. You're gonna love it, I know it. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchefofalltrades. You can find my shows online on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly and come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe. Let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.